Hey, welcome back to another video. Please remember to hit like and subscribe and leave a comment after the end of the video if you need any clarity on this product. Alright, so here we have the OMMO 1600W blender. Now this is a very good size blender. It is 68 ounce and it comes with a few functions that we will be getting into in a few. Just giving you a side view, and you can put it on at any angle. It fits in with the grooves. So here is the on and off, and here is the pulse. You can also set the time, and it gives you a duration for when you turn it on. Alright, so this is underneath it. You can see the blades right through. Nice BPA-free plastic. Alright, so let's get to using it. So I'm going to show you inside of it as I pour in my liquid. So here it is, I'm pouring it in. So I'm just using this as the liquid base for my juice, and I'll be adding some beetroot powder to the blend. Here's the beetroot powder, and you place a top seal. It does a vacuum lock, which I love that for it. Alright, so let's start off with the pulse. So it's a pulse blender, and you can keep your finger on it like I'm doing right now, or you can just do it in pulses. Alright, so we can now move to the top, and we can open it and look inside and see how it looks. You can also use this to basically put in any fruit. You can just slide it in. Alright, so let's lock it back and turn it to the left. Alright, so I'm just gonna do one more pulse. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can use the on and off. So you just set the time, set it for 1 minute, and then put the starter, and basically it will continue for 1 minute duration until I set it stop. So it stop, and now it has stopped blending. Right, you can also increase the speed. Right, so let's pour it out. All the powder has been mixed in from the beetroot powder. So let's try something more solid. So here I have some mangoes, and I've added it in the mixture. Let's get to cutting. Alright, so they're cut up, and I'm going to just place them inside. Alright, so here they are inside. I'm going to seal the top, and I'm going to then just start to blend. Let's put the top on, and I said before, it's a vacuum seal, so nothing is getting out. Alright, so I'm setting it to 1 minute. Let's get to blending. So I'm going to switch from regular to ice. Alright, so I'm going to put some ice inside. Alright, so just to cool it down and start blending that in. Let me just cover it. Again, loving this vacuum cover. It really locks in. So now it's finished blending. You can see that it has been blended out very smooth. I'm going to pour it in a cup so you can have a better appreciation for it. So here it is. It is so smooth, and there's no need to actually strain it out. And why would I? You know, I have all the fibers blended in and not just sugars from the fruit itself. So it's nice and smooth. I love it. And just to added protection, you have the guard that stops liquid from getting in, so that's a plus.